Welcome you all to the revision lesson, which is specially designed for the students who are sitting for advanced level examination in 2021. This will help you to have a better knowledge and understanding regarding the lessons that you have done so far. Rather than taking only the correct answer, this will help you to understand how to reason a question and get the correct answer. Let's discuss few fast paper questions in this video. This question was taken from 2019 New Syllabus Biology paper. This is asking what is the structural and functional unit of life. Correct answer is answer number 3. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. This is described in the cell theory. This question is asking about the features which is containing in some nucleotides. Let's discuss the answer for this question. The answer for the given question is answer number 2. Let's discuss furthermore what is the reason we are getting answer number 2. The first answer in this question is wrong because nucleotides only contain pentose sugars. Third answer is wrong because they do not serve as enzymes but they can act as coenzymes. Fourth answer is wrong because they do not act as oxygen carriers but they can act as electron carriers. Fifth answer is wrong because they do not serve as food resources. This question is related with microscopes that you learn about. So it is talking about electron microscopes as well as light microscope. Let's discuss the correct answer. The correct answer for this question is answer number 5. If we discuss furthermore, you will understand why the other answers are wrong. First one, in a light microscope, visible light is passed through the objective lens and then through the specimen. This is wrong because initially the light passes through the specimen and then it reaches to the objective lens. Second one, projection of a light beam through a vacuum is a principle of an electron microscope. This is wrong. It's because electron microscope is utilizing an electron beam. Third one, scanning electron microscope is used to study the internal structures of cells. This is wrong because the scanning electron microscope is reflecting the electrons which is coming to the specimen so that the surface structures can be studied properly. Fourth one, transmission electron microscope is used for detailed studies of living organisms. So, especially you know about electron microscope, we are keeping the specimens in the vacuum. So we can't use living specimens, they are in electron microscope. So the fourth answer is wrong. This question is asking about the cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is a structure which is made from microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. This is found only in eukaryotes. The correct answer for question number 4 is answer 3. The correct answer says microtubules are involved in movement of organelles. That is true. Using this table, we can discuss question number 4 furthermore. This table is taken from your resource guide, which is table number 2.5, differences between microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. Tubulin is the protein which is making microtubules. It's not active. So that first answer is wrong. Second answer, it says keratin is not present in cytoskeleton. But it says intermediate filaments are made up of keratin and other proteins. Movement of chromosomes during cell division is a function of microtubules. Intermediate filaments are not providing channels to secrete materials into cells. This question talks about the cell cycle. The sequence of events that takes place in a cell from the end of one cell division to the end of the next cell division is referred to as cell cycle. The correct answer for this question is answer number 2, which is telling protein synthesis occurs in G2 phase. That is true. If we reconsider the answer, first answer says DNA synthesis takes place during G1 phase, which is wrong. DNA synthesis occurs in S phase. That means the synthesis phase. Third answer, formation of spindle begins during metaphase. That is wrong. Formation of the spindle occurs in the prophase. Condensation of chromatin fibers takes place during S phase. That is also wrong. Condensation of chromatin fibers takes place in the prophase. Division of cytoplasm occurs during anaphase. That is also again wrong. Division of the cytoplasm occurs during cytokinesis. This question is asking about chlorophyll molecules. So let's discuss the answer for this question. Answer for this question is answer number 1. It says chlorophyll absorb violet, blue and red light. If we reconsider the statements in this question, statement 2, it says chlorophyll B is the main light capturing pigment in plants. This is totally wrong. Chlorophyll A is the main light capturing pigment in higher plants. When it comes to third sentence, it says chlorophyll A is most efficient for capturing green light. This is wrong. It's because we can see chlorophyll A in green color. It's because it is the color that which emits after absorbing other colors. Fourth one, it says chlorophyll A is involved in absorption and dissipation of excessive light energy. This is again wrong. It is because in the presence of high amount of sunlight, chlorophyll A is destroyed. This is a function of accessory pigment like carotenoid. In the fifth one, it says in photosystem 1, chlorophyll A absorbs light at 680 nanometer wavelength. This is wrong. To make this sentence correct, it should be added like this. In photosystem 1, chlorophyll A absorbs light at 700 nanometer wavelength. This question is about respiration, cellular respiration, which is about aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Let's discuss the answer. Answer for this question is answer number 5. Answer is pyruvate molecule. Pyruvate molecule is a common molecule which is found in both the respiration processes, that means cellular aerobic respiration and cellular anaerobic respiration. Question number 8 is asking, during the evolution of organisms, coelom was first developed in which of the following animal phyla? Correct answer is answer number 1. Phylum Annelida is the first animal phyla to develop a coelom, a true body cavity. This question is asking which of the following structures can be seen in annelids as well as in arthropods. Correct answer for this question is answer number 3. It says both the arthropods and annelids are having ventral nerve cord. Let's think about the other answers. In this one, clitellum is a structure which is present in annelids only. Example, you can see a clitellum there in earthworms. Parapodia is a structure which is present in annelids, especially marine annelids such as Nereis is having parapodia. Ventral nerve cord is common for both annelids and arthropods. Ventral nerve cords are found in other animal phyla except chordates. Chordates are having dorsal nerve cord. Capillaries are present in annelids, not in arthropods. Arthropods are having blood vessels directly joined with sinuses instead of having capillaries. Chitinous exoskeleton is present only in arthropods. This question is asking which of the following plants is evolutionary closest to the Markhantia. Markhantia is a bryophyte, so Anthosaurus and Pogonatum are also belonging to bryophytes. Answer for question number 10 is answer number 4. Pogonatum is closely related to Markhantia. Thank you everyone for listening to our video. Let's meet up with another set of questions. If you have any clarification, please type there in the comment section.